I got this Edifier TWS NB2 Pro headphones and want to set up and use it with my iPhone. If you want the same, today I'll show you how to pair and connect Edifier with any of your iOS devices. First of all, make sure both the headphones are inside the case. Open the lid. To take it into pairing mode, just press on this button in this charging case. And in a moment, it'll go straight into pairing mode with the flashing green and white LED. On your iPhone, from Settings, go to Bluetooth. Wait for Edifier's name to pop up. When it does, just tap on it to pair. Now once it's paired to one, you can pair it with multiple iOS devices by the same process, but it'll be disconnected from all the previous ones. In addition to that, you can search for Edifier Connect App on App Store. And after that, you can install, set up, and customize the app according to your own comfort and preference. Now, whenever you close the lid of the case, when the buds are inside, it'll get turned off and disconnected from your device. And similarly, whenever you open the lid, it'll be automatically reconnected to the last device it was active on. And that's how easily you can pair and connect your Edifier TWS NB2 Pro with any of your iPhone and iOS devices. Thanks for watching.